Hey guys, welcome to week 8. Alright, we got this. We're going on strong. So today we're just going to we're going to do a walk around of the trucks. We're going to start that. So for the next few weeks, we'll just be taking each truck individually and do a walk around with the compartments open, kind of see what we got. So we're going to start off with the brush truck today and we'll go from there. Alright, here we got brush 36. We're going to come up and do a walk around of it. Got the winch up front. You can control that water nozzle from in the cab. Some all-terrain tires on it there so it can get off the road. This is used for, smaller places. We need to get behind the house or somewhere. There's the joystick that you control the nozzle up front with. Some extinguishers, medical bag and gloves. We've got a hose line there, extra hoses, nozzles there. We've got the pump back here. Another lovely truck that goes by that we can hear. So we come around this side. We've got some forestry hose there, forestry rakes to make sure the leaves and everything's out. We've got some chain, the hydrant key for some of the hydrants in the area. We've got the chainsaw, toolbox there, extinguisher, cones, booster line up top. Come inside, we've got some extra blankets, the lockout kit, report book. And we are back to the front of the truck, guys. I hope y'all enjoy. We will do another truck next week. Maybe we won't have as much traffic going by in the process. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you like, ring the bell, click subscribe. Don't miss out an episode.